Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, and we have x plus y equals 2 and xy equals 1 over 2. We have these two simultaneous equations and we solve these two equations for the values of x and y. So first we just say that this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. And now here we first focus on equation number 1. So our equation number 1 is implies that here we move this y to the right hand side and we get our x is equals to 2 minus y, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now we substitute this value of x in equation number 2, so that our equation number 2 is implies that this is x into y, so the value of x is 2 minus 5. We substitute it here. It will be written as 2 minus y into y equals to 1 over 2. And now in the next step we need to multiply this y on both of these terms. It will be written as 2y minus y squared equals to 1 over 2. And now in the next step we move these two terms to the right hand side. So you see that y square is negative. When we move in the right hand side, it will becomes positive. This is plus 2y becomes minus 2y, and this is plus 1 over 2 equals to 0. And now in the next step you see here this is quadratic in y variable, so that here we need to use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to 1 over 2, and our quadratic formula is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our nice quadratic formula. And now we substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, and it will be written as y equals minus b. The value of b is minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 1 over 2, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and a is 1. So here we need more simplifications, and we write it as this is minus times of minus becomes plus 2, and plus minus square root of minus 2 squared is equals to plus 4 minus this 2 times of 2 becomes 4, and you get only 2, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. So further in the next step we have y is equals to 2 plus minus, this is 4 minus 2 becomes square root of 2 divided by 2, and here we need to break this fraction. So when you break this fraction, it will be written as 2 plus minus 2 over 2 plus minus square root of 2 over 2. So here after simplification you get 1 plus minus square root of 2 over 2. These two are cancelled by each other. So these are the two values of y. And now our next target is to find the values of x corresponding to these values of y. So now in the next step we have here we first write these two values here. First we write the positive value, it is 1 plus square root of 2 divided by 2, and here we write the negative value, it is 1 minus square root of 2 divided by 2. So now we need equation number 3, so that equation number 3 is implies that equation number 3 is x equals to minus y, and we substitute both of these values of y here, and it will be written as, first we put this positive value, it will becomes 2 minus y, and y is 1 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. Similarly in the second case we have x equals to minus y, and the value of y is 1 minus square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay, so we need some simplifications, and now first we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as x equals to minus 1 minus square root of 2 over 2, and you get x equals 2 minus 1 is 1 minus square root of 2 divided by 2. So this is the value of x, corresponding to the value of y is this one. Okay, so now we move towards our second case, and in this case here we need simplification, and we multiply this negative sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as 2 minus 1 plus square root of 2 over 2, and you get x equals 1 plus square root of 2 divided by 2. So this is the value of x, corresponding to the value of y is this. Okay, so finally we have two solutions of the given equation, and these solutions are xy equals to here first we get the value of x. It is 1 minus square root of 2 over 2, corresponding the value of y is 1 plus square root of 2 over 2, and the second solution is the value of x is 1 plus square root of 2 over 2, corresponding to the value of y is 1 minus square root of 2 over 2. Okay, so in the next step, so these are the two final solutions of the given equation, and now in the next step here we need to verify these two solutions. Is these two solutions are satisfied our given equation or not? Okay, so to verify these solutions here we need to copy down the given equations here. So first we write the first equation, it is x plus y equals 2, and the second equation is xy equals 1 over 2. So these are the two equations, and now we verify the first solution, and I can left the other solution for up to you. You can verify the second solution for yourself. Okay, so here we have the value of x is 1 minus square root of 2 over 2. We substitute this value here, it will becomes 1 minus square root of 2 over 2 plus 1 plus square root of 2 over 2 equals to 2, and we have the value of x is 1 minus square root of 2 over 2 into 1 plus square root of 2 over 2 equals 1 over 2. Now we first simplify the first equation, and you see here this is negative and positive are gone, and we get 1 plus 1 is 2 equals to 2. So this shows that our first solution is satisfied the first equation. And now we move towards second equation. So here you see that we have 1 minus square root of 2 over 2, 1 plus square root of 2 over 2. Here you can use the a minus b into a plus b square identity, and we know that it is equals to 1 square minus square root of 2 and its whole square equals to 1 over 2. And now in the next step we have 1 square is 1 and square root of 2 square is 2, and this 2 square is 4 equals 1 over 2. So this 2 times of 2 is 4, and we get 1 minus 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2. And here you see that 1 minus 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2 equals to 1 over 2. So this shows that the value of x and y satisfied the second equation as well. So this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.